When we have y equals, we make it a 0. Then we check to see is it x factor or bottoms up, and this is x factor because there's a 1 here. So from 24, how do we get to 11? That would be 3 and 8. We put it in factored form. Then we set each part equal to 0 and solve. So here if we subtract 3, x would just be negative 3. Here we would subtract negative 8 to both sides, we get negative 8. So for letter A, x would equal negative 3 and negative 8. In part B, we see that we have y equals again. So for y, we make it a 0, which means we're in standard form. We look for x factor, and we have 2 times negative 15. So this is going to be bottoms up, so negative 30 on top, and negative 1 on the bottom. If you check out your pink factor sheet at 30, we would have 5 and 6. 6 has to be negative, because we've discussed in the past that if you have a small number and a bigger number, this side always has to have matching signs. So we write in factored form, x plus 5, x minus 6 equals 0. And since it's bottoms up, we must divide by 2. So this cannot divide, so we bring the bottom up. This can divide, so we have x minus 3. So we've written it in factored form, and now we need to go ahead and put it in zero product property form. So 2x plus 5 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Subtract 5. 2x equals negative 5. Divide by 2. We get x equals negative 5 over 2. And here we would add 3 to both sides and get positive 3.